This video is your complete guide on how to change name on utility bill. Are you looking to switch your name on your electric, gas or water bill and not sure how? Many Americans have life changes where they might need to change electric bill name due to marriage, moving or more. That's why we've created this guide to help you step-by-step learn how to change utilities into your name. Steps on how to get utilities in your name. Number 1. Contact energy provider. Start with your electric or gas company. When you first moved into your home, apartment or small business, you would have had to set up those accounts first. Now, dig out an old bill. Or, simply log into your online account if you've set one up. From there, you can either stop payment to remove your name, or set up a transfer date if you're switching energy providers. They will need all of your identifying information, so make sure you are ready with account, ID, social security, and address before you call. Make sure you review the terms of your contract to make sure you are not violating any early termination contract and can have a smooth transition. Number 2. Set up new account. The next step involves transferring the electricity bill name and setting up your new account with your utility provider. Whether you're canceling your current service to sign up with a new company or simply transferring the service, the new account holder will need to establish their account. In certain scenarios, if you're only looking to switch the name on your existing account while retaining the service, this can be achieved via a phone call or online. Additionally, the billing information will need to be updated to reflect the new account holder, which can be done using the same methods. It is important to note that if the person on your electricity account is not on your apartment lease, you could be denied service. Make sure you double-check your lease and utility contract before switching to someone else. If you also paid a deposit for electricity, you will get that back when switching in someone else's name. How to transfer utilities into someone else's name. If you're looking to transfer your utility into someone else's name, you will have to call your provider to see if it is possible. In some cases, utility companies will not let you transfer if their name isn't on your lease, or if you've had issues paying your bill in the past. It is at the discretion of the electric or gas company if they're okay with putting another person on the utility. Make sure you have all of your proper documentation and identification, which your provider will require. We hope you found this video helpful. If you are looking for ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all of the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts.